Hi friends, hello, welcome to Jewels by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie and I've got the cutest and most affordable $8 fashion from Paparazzi Accessories. If you see this live in the corner, it means you're watching me right now. I'm here every single day at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 9 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be on for a super fast sale. It's going to be like 20 pieces or less. We're going to be on super quick. I'm going to share this over to our VIP group really quick, to our messenger. And let me get that done really quickly. I think that is, oops, hold on. It did not go. There we go, VIP chat, send that, perfect. All right, friends, so if you're new shopping with me, go ahead and comment hashtag new, my friends. That will get you in on the, registering. Also, you can comment hashtag shop to get it on my link tree. You can literally shop everywhere there. You can shop my Denver in-home warehouse. You can shop my, Paparazzi Utah warehouse. You can shop my VIP group. You can get in on the VIP chat. You can get involved with text alerts every time I'm live. There's lots of awesome things going on with the hashtag shop. So you can go ahead and comment that, my friends, as well. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm doing a speed sale, and also after this, I'm going to be doing a huge announcement on my personal page right after this. So we're only going to be on for like 20 minutes. So I'm only going to show you guys about 20 pieces and be on super fast. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for Diamonds and Dice. It's going to be so much fun. So we're going to do TikTok first. I'm going to try to get that set up because it restricted me yesterday. So we're going to try to see if I can get that loaded up. And then we're also going to be on Facebook at 9 Eastern. Okay, so it'll be 12 Mountain Time, 2 Eastern during the day on TikTok, and then 9 Eastern on Facebook. Okay, so we're going to do 20 pieces. I'm literally going to use these numbers. Again, we're starting at 105 because I still haven't found my other pieces, but it's fine. So we're going to start off with, we're going to literally just throw in some earrings in here. Okay, I'm going to just start with our pink earrings because they're gorgeous. So we're going to start with pink, and we're literally just going to go through these earrings super fast. Okay, and then I'll post up the replay. All right, so this one's going to be your pink earring. You're going to have a nice heavier earring. It's going to have white rhinestones and pink rhinestones. It's not light at all. It is a very heavy earring. Comment 105 if you would like this earring, number 105. Okay, I'm going to put that right here so y'all can shop that. Then we're going to have, now this really isn't pink, but it's still really cute. This one's going to be 106. You're going to have a fun hematite star earring that is a post back. It's going to have all that cute chain here. This is also a very heavy post back earring. It's going to sit really cute, but it's super heavy. Okay, 106 for the silver star. Beautiful, loving that one. Then you're going to have this nice larger hoop. This will be 107. Larger hoop with the silver, and you're going to have the pink rhinestones in there as well. Very, very beautiful. These are huge, probably on the medium weight side. They're definitely not heavy, but not light either. Number 107, my friends. 107. Very pretty. These are one of my personal faves. Love these. They're super cute little oval-like earrings. Okay, they're big hoops. Okay, very long hoops with that pink all the way around. Super fun. Nice post back, and it's super lightweight. It's just really big. They would look really cute with the shirt I'm wearing as well. Super poppin'. Number 108 for those. 108. Then we're going to have 109, which will be your pale pink pearls. 109. These are literally going to be just a cluster of pale pink pearls in a post back. Again, looks adorable with my shirt. Number 109. Thank you for loving on me today, guys. We're just doing a quick speed sale, and I've got a huge announcement to tell you guys about after the live. I'm going to put it on my personal page, okay? 111, friends. These are going to be your nice lightweight wood earrings in a post back format. They're super cute. They're probably medium size, not medium weight. Okay, very lightweight, just medium size. Super cute. Number 111 on the hot pink hoops. Very, very beautiful. Okay, then we're going to have these cute, gigantic post back earrings, number 112. I do have these available in a neon green. This is just the neon pink version. Very large. These are also super heavy, but they're neon pink, super fun. I only have one of these available. Comment number 112 for those big girls. Number 112. Okay, then we've got number 113. 113, my friends. This will be your pale pink hoop. It's going to have almost like a little fabric on that. These are very lightweight as well. Looks really cute with one I'm wearing as well. This one will be number 113, my friends. 113. I have a few of this one available if you want that one. 113. Okay. And then we're going to get into some of our other items here. 114. We're going up to number 125. Just heads up, okay? Just a heads up. So this one's going to be number 114. You're going to have silver earrings that you can also twist this this part in the center. I'm trying to see if I can twist it easily. There we go. Okay, and you can turn it black. So you can literally have it be alternating colors on the front and the back. It's super cool. 114. I think I've got 2 of this one available. Super duper lightweight on those as well. Love those. Then we're going to have 115. Okay, 115. These are going to be your large and in charge pink purpley wood earrings. They're huge and they've got that nice little wave kind of going on the bottom. Very fun, super, super lightweight. Okay, comment 115 if you want those. Super lightweight, just super big. Then we're going to have these ones. These are going to be number 116. Okay, again, same exact type of feel, but these are going to have some hearts, different design, a little bit closer to that purple vibe. Same big, largeness as the last one, but it's going to be super lightweight, okay? Number 116 for those. Okay, and I'm going to flip-flop these around because I'm going to show these ones as well. So this is going to be number 117. You're going to have these also. These are going to be a different shape, same exact weight, nice and lightweight wood earrings, but just super long and big, okay? Number 117 on those. I only have one of those ones left. Let's slide you over here. There we go. All right, this is a pale pink pearl with lots of beads, number 118. You're going to have the cute white and the pink with some silver accents in between. Very lightweight and super fun on that nice big wire. Number 118 for those. 118. This is going to have your coral color, like a corally orange, number 119. You're going to have the white rhinestones, okay, like a milky stone, and then you're going to have your coral orange pink. These are light to medium weight for sure, not heavy at all. 119 on those. 119. Now we're going to get into our purple earrings, okay, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? So let's do our purples. All right, 119, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. All right, we're only going to show a few more pieces, friends. All right, number 120, my friends, 120. These are going to be a very lightweight earring, a nice metal that's going to have your purple in it. It's going to have a silver and a purple. These are super lightweight and really nice. I've only got one of these. Number 120 for those. 120. Another lightweight, number 121. You're going to have that cute acrylic marble on the top with that fun textured teardrop at the bottom. Super duper lightweight as well. One and done, number 121. Okay. Then you're going to have these plum earrings, number 122. These are super heavy earrings. Silver with all the dark purple plum. If you love your purple plum, again, these are super duper heavy. Number 122. 122. Then we're going to have number 123. 123, my friends. 123. Purple. These are also wood earrings. You're going to have that leopard print with that beautiful purple background. I think I've only got one, if not two of these. 123 for those. Okay, 123. 124, my friends, is going to be our next one. 124. Silver teardrop with that white rhinestone and the purple stone as well. Very lightweight. Super cute for spring and summertime. Love those. And then our last pair of earrings tonight, my friends, number 125. Okay, 125. We showed 20 pieces, my friends, 20. We started at 105. I did miss one just because it was 110 was missing. But this is going to be your post back earring in a hoop form. You will also have the purple petals and the yellow in there. It's really, really cute. Okay, so go ahead and comment 125. I've got a couple of this one. Number 125. I have a pair of these. These are so cute. 125 for those, my friends. All right. If you see anything you love, just go ahead and comment the number to claim it. Okay, if you are new shopping with me, comment hashtag new. If you've never shopped with me before, comment hashtag new. Within the next 24 hours, I will have a link that replies to your hashtag new comment. You just tap that link and you can get registered to shop right away. Super, super easy. Okay, friends? Oh my gosh, I am actually running out of, hold on. My phone is about to have a problem. It's literally on the verge of death, which I didn't even realize until right now. Sorry, guys. My screen just went black and I was like, no! So here I am, sorry. So yeah, like I said, $6.55 flat rate shipping all the way up to $100. And then once you spend $100 with me, it is free shipping all across the US to the Marshall Islands and Guam. And for every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. Okay, friends? Thank you so, so much for ordering with me, for supporting. Make sure you're tapping that heart a lot. Okay. The reactions at the bottom, not the likes, but the hearts. Okay. If you can give me hearts, that's the best. Cares are even better. If you can send me those, that's super helpful. Just keep tapping at it as much as you can. It helps me out more than you know. I really appreciate it. Tapping that share button or the arrow that points off, if you can do that, that would be amazing as well. Thank you guys so, so much for being here. I appreciate it. Make sure you share to your family and friends. Invite them to join my VIP group and all the cool things. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow for Diamonds and Dice here at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Have a great night. I love y'all. And as always, my friends, stay fabulous. Bye, guys.